for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, wheel locks, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, audio, speed sensitive volume control, rear floor mats, cargo mat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.